All right, here we have the Panasonic ToughBook. This is a CF-18. I'm turning it on. I'm not sure what year this came out, but early 2000s. This boots up fairly quickly to Windows XP. And I'll show you why it's a ToughBook here in a second. Just takes a few seconds to load up to the desktop, which is great. This would be a great machine to take out with you if you were going someplace like mountain climbing or something. It does have an onboard Wi-Fi connection. All right, and here we are at the desktop. I'm just going to show you some of the features here on the side. All these little ports here. This is USB number 1, USB number 2, and this is the telephone modem, and this is the Ethernet. There's a little piece of dust in there. I'm just trying to pull out with my finger. But moving on, turn it around here, and this side has a little port here. Open the little door, and this is where the hard drive is on. It's in a little compartment that allows it to bounce, and over here is the battery. The battery, although it's not new, it does last quite a while. It's a pretty decent little machine. Here's the top, Panasonic ToughBook. It's a CF-18. Here's the bottom, Windows XP license. And here's how you can buckle it shut. And that thing is just about impenetrable. You can throw this basically, you could almost throw this out of the back of a moving car and it would survive. So that's my Panasonic ToughBook, and it is for sale if the price is right.